Are you eating watermelon?
Mama.
Is it good? Okay, ready? You want to read your book?
Book.
Okay. Go, dogs.
Go.
Yeah. Go on skates or go by bike. Go by foot, run, skip, or hike. Good boy. Go by scooters. Go by skis. Bundle up so you don't freeze. That's right. Go by good boy. Blimp. By those are fishies. By boat. By car. Go, dogs, go. It's not too far. Good boy. Stop, dogs.
Yep.
The light is
Right.
go, dogs.
Right.
Say go.
Go.
It's green. Say green. Green ahead. You're almost there. Stop at that. Climb that ladder too. Is that a dog party? Say party. Say party. You want another piece of watermelon? Okay. There's one more. All gone. Can you say a dog party? Say yay! Is that good?